So I had the contacts in or whatever, and when it was time to come out, I'm like, oh my god, like how I take them out? As I pull down and then I squeeze them out, but I can't squeeze without dragging my nail across my eyes, just because look, like I'll be squeezing and pinching my eye. So I'm like, yo, how am I gonna do this? I was crying. My mom was like, okay, I'll just help you take it out. Like, I'll do it. But that's like trying to teach my eye again that it's okay, like, for someone else's hand to go in my eye. Because usually when I do it, I'm looking in the mirror. So I'm like, nah, it's not working. She's like, all right, then sleep with him. So I'm like, no, stop. All of a sudden, I just took my knuckles and pinched them out. And it came out so fast, y'all. I was like, oh, this is the new method. Like, so yeah, I'm definitely about to put my contacts back in with my nails and then get them out with my knuckles. Well, not my knuckles, like the little joint for my fingers. But yeah, y'all.
Thinking about trying to really get to the real answer, because a lot of times the low answer is just our immediate instinct. It's just, I'm mad and I just want to punch you in the face, but it doesn't solve anything. And that was something I learned from Barack, because a lot of people just wanted Barack to get up on the podium and just go off, right?
Yes, yes.
And his view was always, okay, I could go off today and feel better in the moment, but does it move the agenda? And if we're all thinking about what the agenda is, which is getting to a place where we live in a country that we're proud to pass on to our kids, going high is the only way we get there. It's our patience, it's our tolerance, it's our belief in honesty and truth, it's our belief in hard work. It's not about getting somebody back. It's not about the immediate clap back. The immediate clap back is just for your own selfish purpose right there in the moment, and rarely does it solve anything. So I think, yes, we have to be a people that keeps going high. Now, going high doesn't mean you don't acknowledge the pain. That doesn't mean you ignore the pain, you know? That doesn't mean that there's something wrong with feeling the pain, but how do you react to it? You know, do you react by just giving pain back? But we have to think about, where is it that we're trying to go in the long term?
Such a vlogger. It's my mommy. What you say? So I'm a bad vlogger, y'all. Can't do this stuff. What happened yesterday? What did we do yesterday? Went to the convention center. We ate some food at Gumbo Boy. Took a nap. I took a nap. Yeah, we saw Michelle Obama and Mary J. Blige. I also saw Queen Naija and Nas. We did a concert. Yeah, but I missed her, but yeah, her. And that was it. Today's Sunday, the last day of the festival. And we're just here at the Riverwalk again. Nobody out here, but we're gonna walk through the Riverwalk and then to the convention center, because it's too hot to be out here. I've been walking for like 4 blocks. And I'm like done. Whew, my eyes are like watering. My eyes are really sensitive to the sun. But it's so hot out here. So hot. Oh, and we went to McDonald's party last night, Mom. We went to McDonald's after party. It was so much fun. The music was good. They gave us food, french fries, and chicken tenders, and they had ice cream, a working ice cream machine. Because if you're from New York, y'all know, in the summertime, the ice cream machine does never, like, it never works. It's always like, you know, no ice cream machine, no McFlurries. So we had a working ice cream machine. So yeah, the party was fun. You had fun at the party last night?
Very nice. Free food and drinks.
Oh, okay. And a working ice cream machine.
Yes. What toppings?
Yeah,
what
what's
toppings? I don't need all that.
Oh, you know what? Bye. That's it, y'all. I'll see y'all later. I got me a sample Sorry, folks. With Tyler Perry. This far down in the convention center, they got food over here. Those are all food courts down there. Oh, sorry. This is all S&E. I don't know what this stuff is. Listen, y'all. You ever been this far down? I don't even have food in here. Yeah. There's fun stuff down there. Really? What's all this stuff? Streaming? Taking pictures, it look like. Yeah, look, photo areas. Okay. It's empty down here. I like it down here. It's peaceful. You see your feet. Nobody next to you except for you. Oh my gosh. That's cute over there. A little light.
I just feel like I want to worship God. I'd rather lift my hands to Him. And this song right here, I always want to say to God, which is, you always want to say. You came, you thought I was worth keeping. You came me up inside. You tried.
Cosmetics, her hair.
How are you today?
Thank you. These cosmetics. Oh, I'm not even showing you nothing. This is all the stuff over here. This was her cosmetics. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, I know this is. They be showing this stuff out on the radio on Hot 97. Yeah, from Manhattan, Brooklyn, and Queens. The edge controller, mink hair. Yeah, y'all. I'm so tired. We just came out of the convention center. I almost lost my marbles. This girl really tried to play me and skip me. All 5 of her friends, so-called cousins or whatever, really skipped me and tried to play me. And she was trying to challenge me. And I said, where we at, boo? It's Essence, right? Black excellence. Fix your face. You ain't find nobody but yourself. You ain't find me. I got a career ahead of me. I need a clean record to be a nurse. So yeah, that was that. But we're at the, what is this? Riverwalk? At the Riverwalk. So I'm about to show y'all the stuff I got later on today. All the free goodies. But I'm about to go get something to eat because I'm tired. I'm about to die.
That's all we catch. Oh, what you say? Turn off your sound, baby, bring this shit back.
things up. But they also love to build forts, and I just want to make sure.
You already made it. Let's go.
Got somebody.
She is a beauty. Good. I just can't get in my head. I don't say too much. Smile, try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lay you down. Keep the spirits up. You know, if I go out. Come on, yes, I want my slick. Turn my down. Turn my down. Turn my down.
Get every feel that we want to dance for. Who on the dance floor though? Naughty. Y'all having a good time?
Systems ready to go. Sit back and relax.
All I ever needed was to tell me that I need some closure and say come over.
Now I've gotten to the place where I don't want to be
How would you like it if I do the things you do?
see how it affects their day-to-day lives. That's the only thing I can imagine. I mean, there and you're like, ah.
Reporting live from the bathroom line. Y'all know I love Mary. It's my aunt right here. I can love you. Want to love reporting live from the Seoul plane. Everybody on this plane is like African American. Everybody, like, and it's almost a full flight. We got like 2-3 seats back here. There's probably some seats up there, but it's packed. We're just sitting on retirement. We're 30 minutes late, but we're still gonna make my connection. Oh my gosh, is she moving her seat back? She about to play herself. That's what it is, because I'm about to put my knee right there so she can't move. No, oh yeah, she. Child. Oh, she really. Oh my god, y'all. Y'all, I don't know if y'all know this about me, but I'm claustrophobic. Like, I was having a panic attack over here. I had this little long sleeve shirt on, and then I got on this plane, and the air up here was not bumping.
All right, folks,
like it should have been.
been closed. It is time to power down your larger
And I
electronics.
said, oh no, y'all, I'm gonna have to get up and move because this is not it.
This time.
But I took it off. I feel way better now. But I cannot go love alone with somebody in my lap. Remember that movie from last holiday? The female was on the plane, and she was like,
"Make your trip as comfortable as possible."
Stewardess.
Now, I'm not flying all the way to Prague with some stranger in my lap. I know that's right. That's a big boy. That's a big old man right there. I can't look at him.